Imagine you're working on a spreadsheet, minding your own business, when suddenly you encounter a tricky problem. You have a list of names from one domain in column B and another list from a different domain in column J. Your mission? To match up the names from both domains and place them in column H. Quite the head-scratcher, right? Now, let's dive into the solution to this head-scratcher. By using the formula equals VLOOKUP B2 JJ 1 false, you're telling Excel to search for the value in cell B2, the target name, within column J, the other domain. If a match is found, Excel will fetch the corresponding name from column J and display it in column H. The 1 specifies the column number in the range J that you want to return, and the false ensures an exact match. It's like a matchmaking tool for your spreadsheet. In a nutshell, by utilizing the VLOOKUP formula with these parameters, you can seamlessly compare names from different domains and find their perfect pairs in your spreadsheet. Say goodbye to the headache of manual matching and let Excel do the heavy lifting for you. Remember, subscribe for more neat Excel tips, like this video if it helped you crack the code, and leave a comment with your favorite spreadsheet pun. Happy Excelling!